Welcome to Notary Public Underwriters All Things Notary channel. In this episode, we're going to teach you how to get more business as a notary loan signing agent. Signing services function as a broker connecting notary signing agents with clients. While signing services can be a common starting point, it's important to note that they typically offer lower compensation compared to direct work with lenders and title companies. However, signing services can offer a higher volume of work due to established connections, offering valuable experience for those aiming to transition to work directly with escrow and title companies in the future. To find signing services, begin by Googling phrases such as notary signing services near me or notary signing services in your state. Join signing agent-focused Facebook groups for recommendations, and make sure to sign up with multiple signing services to increase work opportunities. When signing services have an assignment, they will contact you for availability and provide their rate. You can decide whether to accept or decline, and with most companies, you will even have the opportunity to counteroffer. Be sure to keep your phone nearby as these assignments are very time sensitive. Failure to respond quickly or with an unreasonable counteroffer may result in signing services moving on to the next notary. Keep in mind, newer signing agents cannot command the same rates as more seasoned signing agents, since they lack the necessary experience and cannot guarantee their work will be flawless. In the early stages, focus on networking and gaining knowledge about the job by taking on more signings before raising fees. Be a good communicator. After agreeing on the terms of an assignment with the signing service, take the time to introduce yourself to the escrow or loan officer associated with the loan. This personal touch could make a big difference later. Upon completion of the signing, follow up to show appreciation to clients and officers, whether through a thank you note or a small gesture like bringing lunch or coffee. Building connections and goodwill is essential. After gaining experience and confidence, market yourself. Get in touch with escrow and title companies as well as local real estate agents and those you have previously built rapport with to find out about their needs and offer your services. By marketing directly, notary signing agents can bypass signing services, retaining more of their earnings. Building relationships with these entities is crucial for long-term success. Make sure potential customers can find you. If you haven't already, establish a professional online presence through a website, Google business profile, and social media to highlight your services and build a brand. Include details on your website such as your expertise, service fees, contact information, and social media links. Be sure to post engaging content consistently on social media to boost your visibility and attract new clients. To target potential clients, you may also employ online advertising on search engines and other online platforms. Traditional marketing can also be effective. Consider attending local networking events. These gatherings provide valuable opportunities to engage with real estate professionals, mortgage brokers, and potential clients. Distribute your business cards strategically, ensuring that your contact information is readily available. Active participation in these events not only enhances your visibility, but also allows you to establish a personal connection with individuals who can potentially refer clients to you. Create a network of experienced, like-minded notaries within your state interested in enhancing their marketing efforts. The objective is not to compete with one another, but to improve everyone's chances of working with an entity by making it more convenient and affordable to hire someone within your network versus a signing service. The network members develop and approve the standards and guidelines. Lastly, understanding and complying with your state's laws regarding advertising notary services is crucial. Improper advertising could lead to fines or even a loss of your notary commission. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website notarypublicunderwriters.com for online education courses, bonds, insurance, and notary supplies. We also have a notary blog with the latest state law information, tips, and other resources. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more notary content.